Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, I'm in my native place and yes, I got some good net connectivity and I could also manage some time. So here I am with the chart of gold. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us and market is standing at 1933 right now. So overall, the market is waiting for CPI right now, which is coming on Thursday, as a result of which we don't see much volatility in the market. If you look at the forexfactory.com, you can see today we don't have any news. Tomorrow also there is no news, but on Thursday we have a long list of events, so market will be volatile. And as we all know, before a big event like NFP, CPI, market prefers to stay silent. Okay, market remains range bound sideways, so we can expect that instead of showing a complete trend reversal or a unidirectional market, okay, high chance the market will remain sideways or choppy till Thursday. So this is the chart of DXY dollar index, and as expected, dollar index took support around 102 level, and we can see the dollar index is trying to recover again. DXY is right now standing at 102.33. Overall, the levels are still very much intact on the chart of dollar index, which is 103 to 103.25. This is the resistance at the top, and as I have already discussed in my previous videos, the support levels, the levels are still very much intact. Support levels are around 101.60 to 101.50 and 101.20. A high chance that market will not be breaking these two levels at least today and tomorrow. Okay, let's wait and watch. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So this video may sound a little bit complicated. If you're a beginner, okay, then you can watch the video again. Okay, but if you are doing something right now, if you're busy right now, try to watch the video later. Okay, because I'll be discussing many things and you may get confused at one point. First of all, we can see that we have a descending triangle pattern on the chart. Descending triangle pattern means you can see whenever market is trying to go up, it is unable to break the previous high here. So it signifies that buyers are trying to take the market up. Buyers does not have the strength. New sellers are joining the market, and usually after a descending triangle pattern, we get to see downside on the market. Right now, around 1930 level, we have support. But we also have a descending triangle pattern, which is not a good sign for buyers. High chance that market will be going down. Okay, right now we have two support levels on the chart of gold. We have a support around 1930, 1931, 29, and then we have second support around 1925. Technically, I'm speaking. These are the two support levels on the chart of gold right now, and before today, at least today, we can expect that in case there is a drop in the market will be taking support around 1925. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a bounce of 40 to 50 pips, because 1925 as a support is still very much present. But overall, technically, if we look at the chart here, then the market seems to be bearish. Market seems to be getting ready for a downside fall here. And as already market has tested the support of 1930 too many times, it is better to avoid, because you guys have probably seen me saying many times that if you find market testing a level too many times, you should obviously avoid. So 1930 has been tested many times, so there's a high chance that market will be going for some stop loss hunting around 1930. So it is better to avoid right now. If you have the risk appetite, if you have the experience, then you can go for it. But otherwise, I'll only say that around 1925 you can look for a quick buy opportunity if market bounces for 40 to 50 pips. Okay. And on the other hand, if you're looking for big resistance level, then yes, the resistance level that we have already discussed in our previous videos are still the same. First of all, we have a big resistance around 1955 to 1957. This big resistance is still present on the chart and will be present for the next 1 or 2 days. Before 1955-57, we have another resistance around 1950 to 1947. This is also a big resistance on the chart of gold, and before Thursday 1950 will be standing as a tall mountain, tall resistance for the chart of gold. And I don't think so market will be breaking 1950 right now. If you see that market surprises us with buying, observe the market at 1947.50 area. If you see market struggling, market showing price rejection from above, immediately click on the sell button with proper risk management tool. So technically we have a descending triangle pattern which signifies that high chance of market going down, and technically we also have a support around 1925 level where we can expect a bounce from the market, and in case market shows upside we have two strong resistances, that is around 1955 to 57 and 1947 to 1950. So all about technicals, clear? Okay, so during the day, listen to me carefully, during the day if market tries to recover, okay, if market tries to recover, then day traders, especially scalpers, you can look for some quick selling opportunity around 1937 and 1939. It can be 1939.40 also, it can be 37.38 also, but around these two levels, scalpers, day traders, you may find some selling opportunity because of FIBO here. Yes, in my video I'll not talk about FIBO. Okay, that is not possible. FIBO is my darling. You can see here, this is the chart of gold here. Right now I'm in the 15 minutes time frame. So if market tries to recover, okay, there's a good chance that FIBO 38.2 will be acting as resistance, and you can also see the same level has acted as resistance previously. It is an additional confirmation. And then we have FIBO 50% retracement around 1939 level. So during the day, if the volatility of the market remains like this, we can definitely expect these two levels to act as resistance, temporary resistance. If market reverses, we can go for a sell and we can expect around 30 pips. Keep in mind, volatility of the market will be important. Yesterday during the US session, market showed volatility. So if the volatility gets higher like yesterday, then these levels will not work. Never forget, we have many levels in the market, but not all levels have the equal strength. Some are weak, some are strong. 25 is a good level, 50 is a very strong level, 55 is a very strong level, but 39 not a strong level, 37 not a strong level. These can work when the volatility of the market is low. Okay. And as market has shown strong price rejection previously around this area, so I will not recommend any sell position below 1930 level. If you want to go for it, you can go for it, but it can be a little bit riskier. Okay, so my dear friends, let's look at the options data right now. Okay, you all love I never imagined that you guys will love options data so much. Okay, so if we look at the chart, option chain data, here you can see 1950 around at 1950 we still have 1400 contracts and additional 6 contracts have been added. So 1950 has turned out to be a strong resistance. Along with that, 1960 is also showing addition of 217 contracts. So 1950 and 1960 are going to be very strong resistance for the market as of now. Okay, so options data is also showing us the same thing. The contracts are giving an additional confirmation. And if you're looking for support, then we need to scroll down here. There it is. Here you can see. Okay. So previously we had strong support around 1930, and you can see 1930 is still working. Around we have 1900 contracts and 25 contracts have been added. 1925 1700 contracts, overall minus 22 contracts. Okay, so it is slowly losing foothold, but you can see that around 1920 26 contracts have been added. So the market participants, the market makers, okay, they are shifting from 1925 to 1920 right now. So though technically we have only support around 1925, but we also have another support around 1920 right now. So after CPI, if gold drops, then there's a good chance that market may take support around 1920 as well. And today and tomorrow also, if market drops below 1925 level, don't be surprised. Slowly, traders, not traders, I'll say the market makers are moving from 1925 level to 1920 level. So if you're a beginner to the market and if you're confused what I'm saying, okay, then just forget about it. Okay, this is not for beginners. You can simply focus on the technicals and the structure of the market and body language of the market. And my dear friends, okay, this is the Hindi channel, Avianka School of Finance. Those who have not subscribed and those who understand Hindi, feel free to subscribe to Avianka School of Finance for regular market updates. On the English channel, you get updates in the morning, whereas on the Hindi channel, आपको updates मिलेगा शाम के वक्त यूएस सेशन से पहले. So feel free to subscribe to Avianka School of Finance. बहुत दिन से ये channel dead पड़ा था, but recently, okay, and me and my wife, okay, are working again on the channel. So आपको regular updates मिलता रहेगा and उसके साथ साथ आपको education contents भी मिलेगा. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, and as always say, please be careful. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. I am also a trader like you. 100% accuracy is not possible. So do not gamble with your capital. Bye bye. Take care.